This bike's back for a bit of a clean up. We installed a new engine in this set that we rebuilt. It's been alright. We just parked it up for quite a few months and that. So it's going to be up for sale soon. So we're just going to take it apart a little bit just to clean it up. And whilst we've got it apart, we're going to install this new engine that I built. Gonna put it into here and see if it runs. Run it in for about half an hour or so, then swap it back. So that's our plan over the next couple of weeks. Catch you later.
You've got fuel, got enough fuel in there?
I don't know. I can't tell if the which tap is which. So
We got fuel in here?
yep. I just topped it up.
Right.
Choke's on.
Yep. You want to push?
Yep. Here's fuel.
Right.
Yep. This is the final stage of our Postie build. I built this bike up last year. It's been in storage and that. We just brought it all back to life. Cleaned it up a little bit, and we've got that new engine in it that runs so sweet, very quiet, really good. Installed new indicators on the front. The old ones are all broken and that, so we've just done that. Got a new sprocket on the back, bearings are all done. We've splashed a bit of paint around, and had to go through all the wiring. There was a fault in the wiring and that there. I think it was my fault because I had the green as earth instead of power or whatever, and so fixed up that. Indicators all work. Brand new battery in it. Happy about that. That all works. We've done the swing arm, cleaned it all out and greased it up again. Brand new oil. Redid the carby. That was a little bit dirty. Everything seems to work, so ready for its new owner, and he should be pretty happy about it all. So let's see if it all starts.